N5 Basic Japanese Vocabulary Lesson 5 Ikimasu Ikimasu Go. For example, Watashi wa Nihon e ikimasu. I will go to Japan. Watashi wa Nihon e ikimasu. Kimasu Kimasu Come. For example, Watashi wa Indo e kimashita. Watashi wa Indo e kimashita. I came to India. Kairimasu Kairimasu Go home or return. For example, Ashita uchi e kairimasu. Ashita uchi e kairimasu. I will return home tomorrow. Ashita uchi e kairimasu. Gakko Gakko School. Supa Supa Supermarket. Eki Eki Station. Hikoki Hikoki Airplane. Fune Fune Ship. Densha Densha Electric train. Chikatetsu Chikatetsu Underground subway. Shinkansen Shinkansen Bullet train. Basu Bus Basu. Takushi Takushi Taxi. Jitensha Jitensha Bicycle. Aruite Aruite on foot. Hito Hito Person people. Tomodachi Tomodachi friend. Kare Kare boyfriend. It is used for boys also. For example, Kare wa hansamu desu. Kare wa hansamu desu. That boy is handsome. Kanojo Kanojo girlfriend, also used for girls. For example, Kanojo wa kawaii desu. That girl is cute. Kanojo wa kawaii desu. Kazoku family. Kazoku. Hitori de alone or by oneself. For example, Hitori de Nihon e ikimashita. I went to Japan alone. Senshu last week. Senshu. Konshu this week. Konshu. Raishu Raishu next week. Sengetsu Sengetsu last month. Kongetsu Kongetsu this month. Raigetsu Raigetsu next month. Kyonen Kyonen last year. Kotoshi Kotoshi this year. Rainen Rainen next year. Nen Nen year. Nannen Nannen what year. Gatsu Gatsu month. Nangatsu Nangatsu what month. Itsu Itsu when. Tanjoubi birthday. Tanjoubi. そうですね。そうですね。Yes, it is. どうもありがとうございました。Thank you very much. どういたしまして。You're welcome. どういたしまして。番線 番線 platform. 次の next. 普通 local train. 9号 rapid express train. 特急 limited express. 見てくれてありがとう皆さん。Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Okay, bye bye. またね。